Today we'll take a look at the KREBS cordless drill. That is kind of a nice case. It's actually a full-on cloth cover material. But here's the drill. We can see we got a nice rubber grip on there. So that feels extremely nice in the hand. We got rubber on the back. We got our forward and reverse. Trigger feels very good. It is a 2-speed. And even the torque ring feels good. We got our belt clips. So if we want to, we can throw that on there. So that way if we need to climb up a ladder or anything like that, we can just clip this right onto our belt. We got our battery. It is a 20 volt, 2 amp hour battery. It's got 3 contacts on there and they are even labeled. Oh, that's nice. So it actually has different color LEDs for the charge level. So it does come with a full charge, so green is good. And it's standard clip style lock. We got our charging port there, and the charger will plug into that. And the charger is 1.5 amps at 21.5 volts. And we got a little LED on here as well. So we got our instructions. We got a whole bunch of drills, as well as some drivers in there. We have a strip of drivers. So we got 3 flatheads, we got 3 Phillips, 1, 2, and 3. We got 3 hex drivers and 3 Torx drivers. This has a bunch of stuff in there. We even have a countersink. So if you need to open that up, that's very cool. I usually do not get that with a drill. We got 4 brad point drills. We got 6 regular drills. We got a couple of double-ended long drivers. It actually comes with 3 masonry drills, so that's nice. And we have a magnetic bit holder. So the first 2 screws were nice and flush. The third one was a little more tough because I was going into a knot. So I just took the torque from a 12 up to the 18 and that drove it in no problem. So yeah, that is a pretty awesome drill. I'm happy with that.